The Galaxy Z Fold 7 has been a major leak, revealing the design of the perfect foldable phone. The design features a wider cover display and a thinner phone thickness, with dimensions of 158.43 into 143.14 into 4.54 millimeters. The Z Fold 7 is rated at 10.08 millimeters, closer to the thinnest foldable phone, Apple Uplift, rated at 8.9 millimeter. The front of the phone is wider than the previous generation, more like a normal phone than a foldable. The cover display on the Z Fold 7 is perfect, with an inner display rated at 143 compared to 132 on the Z Fold 6. There is a massive change between these two devices. Samsung is also proceeding with the latest software for the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Z Flip 7. While they struggled with the One UI 7 update previously, they are launching One UI 8 with the Z Fold 7. One prototype was spotted online running One UI 8, and sources including Sam Mobile and an internal source confirmed it. The first look of the Galaxy Z Fold 7 from the back has been spotted online, but the source is not confirmed. The source shared that the real phone is the Galaxy Z Fold 6, but it looks more like the Galaxy Z Fold 6 than the Z Fold 7. The camera rings are not thick enough to fit the bigger sensor on the Z Fold 7, and the flashlight location is changed from the Z Fold 7. The thick camera sensors on the Z Fold May 7th be a dummy phone or something else. Samsung is also adding titanium components in the Z Fold 7 and Samsung's first trifold phone, the Electact. The backplate is used as a support between the hinge and affordable display, improving the durability on the Z Fold 7. Previously, Samsung used stainless steel in the first two generations and then switched to carbon fiber, but they are again changing it to titanium. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.